guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley. If you're new here, I feel like I do the same intro every single time. Anyway, so for today's video, I have a e.l.f. haul slash first impressions try-on kind of thing. So I went online to the e.l.f. website and bought a bunch of, let me not twist in my chair. Wait, I gotta fix this mess. And so I went online and bought some e.l.f. products, some new things, some things that have been out for a while, and I'm going to just do a little haul and tell you my first impressions and create a little makeup look. Let's get started. So I do have a primer that came free with my purchase. And this is the tone adjusting, my chair is making so much noise, tone adjusting, excuse this pimple, by the way. It's making an appearance. Anyway, it's a tone adjusting face primer, the neutralizing green one. And so I'm going to be using this. Probably already know, but the green in the primer is supposed to like eliminate the redness of your face. And my face is very red. So let's see. Take me about that much. I should have put it up on the forehead. I forgot to get my mirror. I'm gonna put a little bit more green on this giant pimple. Maybe it'll help with the redness. I see no difference. Okay. Next thing that I bought is the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. It's in this little thing. Well, I don't get the camera at all. Wow, I suck. Anyway, so I got the color 210 Natural with neutral undertones. And this is an oil-free medium coverage. Focus. I love that it's a little pump. It seems really small. How many ounces is in here? Oh, 0.68 fluid ounces. That's really tiny. Usually they're like 0.8, I want to say, or like close to 1, right? I don't know. Anyway, I forgot to wet my beauty blender. He's all wet and ready to go. That's what she said. Okay. Anyway, my hand's a little wet now. So I'm going to just put 2 pumps in the back of my hand and just dab in and start applying to the face. I love the smell of this. What is that smell? It says medium to coverage on the bottle. So I wonder if it looks good built up because I do have some acne at the moment. I went through about a month where my skin was doing pretty well. And now it's back on its crap. Do I like this? I don't know. I got this area and this area that still needs to be covered. Now, I usually, when I do my makeup, I normally don't use a concealer. Because, okay, sometimes I do. If I have a lot more acne, like on this pimple, I will use concealer. but usually I don't because concealers just make me look, or just look very cakey on me. We're going to do the Pretty Fresh ColourPop one. That is better. I'm going to take this e.l.f. that I did not buy in this haul, but I've had and I love, the Flawless Concealer Brush. It definitely made it better. Is it still a little bit out there? A little bit. That's okay. Okay. So, no. When you realize that you skipped a step. I bought the Poreless Putty Primer that is supposed to be a dupe for the Tatcha, something. I forgot what it's called, but I forgot to use it! I'm so upset with myself. I really want to test it out. Well, that sucks. That really sucks. I didn't get a powder, so I'm just going to use my Thrive Cosmetics powder. I got the Primer Infused Bronzer in Forever Sun Kissed. I'm really excited to use this because it is primer infused. Why can't I open it? There we go. Okay. It looks like... Can actually open it. Maybe. This is really hard to open. Okay. Wow. Finally. I'm going to use my trusty Pac-Man one that I always rave about. Going to just dip my brush in it. Dip, dip. We'll see how I like it. I like it. Do I know if it's long wearing like it says? It says for long lasting wear. No. Will I know? No, because it's 4:42 in the afternoon. And I won't be doing any kind of wear test. Let's be honest. Okay. I like it. I really like that. Wow. What bronzer don't I like? I like all bronzers. I mean, not all bronzers, but I like bronzers. Blush. I got the Primer Infused Blush as well, because I've never seen this before. I got Always Rosy. If I can open this one without struggling. Always Rosy. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild blush brush. Don't judge with their dirtiness. Love these ones. So, just going to put it in there. And apply it. I like that, right? Favorite brow product at the moment is the Brow Wiz from ColourPop. It is amazing. I'm just going to do my brows. In my yearly favorites, I mentioned the Wet n Wild brow gel. No, sorry, the NYX brow gel. Yeah, screw that one. The, again, Brow Boss gel. Game changing. Brows are done. So the most exciting portion of this e.l.f. haul are these. Literally the most exciting. Oh, so excited. So, I got 4 of the bite-size eyeshadows. These are $3 each. And I had a coupon, so I got them for $2.40 each. Oh my god. Oh my god. They really look beautiful. So I got the one in Carnival Candy. Ooh. It looks like this. That is so pretty. I got the one in, I got the one in Hot Jalapeno. It looks like this. I got the one, and I swatched a few. I had not used them, but I have swatched a few because I was too excited when a package came in. I got the one, Berry Bad. Like, oh my god, there's my thumbprint. And then last but not least, I got the, Akahiyu? Akahiyu? The blue one. My thumbprint again. And then I got the Opposites Attract eyeshadow palette. And I've been eyeing this bad boy for a while. So I'm so glad that I picked it up. Look how pretty. Obviously I can't use all these eyeshadows. I mean, obviously. But we're going to use a few. So I'm going to prime the lids. To first go into the Opposites Attract palette. I'm going to take a grease brush. I think I want to do a, what kind of look am I going for in this video? Let's go into saucy. We're gonna get a little saucy. Okay. We're getting a little saucy in this video. We're getting a little saucy. Maybe we'll put some blues in there. Who knows? We're getting crazy now. Okay. I think I'm going to take just like a shader brush now. And I used the ColourPop ones, by the way. The new ones came out. They're my fave now. I really want to go into Wise. This one's calling my name. Okay. I'm going to go into Wise and just see what happens. Okay, pigmented. Whoa. I'm going to go into the Hot Jalapeno. I don't know if I want to do the gold one or the green one. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's go with the gold one for right now. Whoa. That is one pigmented shadow. I'm digging it. Oh, I'm digging it. Wow, that's pretty. Into the dark shade in this palette. And just put it on the very corners of the lids. Just to darken up the outside a little bit. That's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm loving this look. And then just buff that in. Now I think I want to go into this palette, the Carnival Candy one. And is it crazy for me to put a little bit blue on the lower lash line? Is that getting a little too crazy now? Gotta kill it, just in yellow. We're just gonna go on the outside of the bottom lash. Like that. I'm gonna go into Low Key in the Opposite Attract palette. for the inner corner highlight. I could go dramatic and put eyeliner on, but I suck at eyeliner and it looks already dramatic enough. Just gonna put on my Thread Cosmetics mascara. I do have a setting spray to test out. I bought the e.l.f. Matte Blotting Mist. It's supposed to touch up your makeup, but we're going to use it to set the makeup. I also, the last thing I bought was the Matte Oil Control Mask. But it's obviously a mask, so I will not be testing it out on camera. But it's supposed to draw out impurities and excess oil for a cleaner complexion. So I'm excited to try that. We'll let the mascara dry. Ooh, dry, 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 dry. I loved the makeup look, right? Like, digging it. Okay, I'm going to spray this on my face. Oh, I thought I was. Wait, what? Hello? Do I have to turn it? Oh. Wait. Maybe I won't be testing this out. Does it work? I really wanted to test you out. Why don't work? Wait. Thought I got a spritz. I didn't. This is making me so mad. Baby, come here!
Yes, ma'am. You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Will you try to fix this?
Sure.
Tell me how my boyfriend came in and literally fixed it in 5 seconds. Like, I don't understand. I spent like 30 minutes trying to fix that thing. Ugh. Anyway, back to the video.
And it kind of sprays clumps on your face. Like, look, clump here, clump down here. But that's okay. At least it works. Ha! This is the Frida Kahlo by Beauty, Ulta Beauty. It's in the shade Sepia. Sepia? That's it, yo. No. I didn't put a highlighter on. How do you forget a highlighter? Gonna go on my tried and true Vegan Reezy. How do you forget a highlighter? Anyway, that completes that video. I really liked everything that I tested besides the setting spray. It didn't get me. Everything else I really liked. Especially the eyeshadows. My fave. But yeah, it's my like favorite look that I've created so far on my channel, I think. But that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.